Mastering manufacturing process control. We're blind to our production capacities gap with customer demand. Which specific metrics are currently being used to measure the production capacity of our manufacturing process, and how do its existing output levels compare to the current customer demand rates in terms of volume, frequency, and timing? To achieve operational excellence in manufacturing process control, it is essential to assess the current production capacity and compare it to customer demand rates. This evaluation will help identify areas for improvement, optimize production levels, and ensure that customer demand is met efficiently. Firstly, a thorough analysis of the current production capacity should be conducted to understand the maximum output potential of the manufacturing process. This can be achieved by evaluating the performance of each production line, machine, and workstation, including their throughput rates, cycle times, and equipment availability. Additionally, the production capacity should be measured in terms of volume, frequency, and timing to determine the total output, production cycles, and lead times. Meanwhile, customer demand rates should be examined to understand the volume, frequency, and timing of customer orders. This can be achieved by analyzing historical sales data, customer forecasts, and market trends. It is crucial to identify patterns and seasonality in customer demand to determine the peak and off-peak periods. Once the production capacity and customer demand rates are understood, a comparison can be made to identify gaps and opportunities for improvement. If the production capacity is lower than customer demand, it may lead to backorders, stockouts, and lost sales. Conversely, if the production capacity exceeds customer demand, it may result in overproduction, inventory holding costs, and waste. To bridge the gap between production capacity and customer demand, several strategies can be employed. If the production capacity is lower than customer demand, options such as increasing production shifts, overtime, or outsourcing production to contractors or third-party manufacturers can be considered. Additionally, process improvements, such as implementing lean manufacturing principles, reducing waste, and increasing efficiency, can help to increase production capacity. On the other hand, if the production capacity exceeds customer demand, strategies such as reducing production levels, implementing just-in-time (JIT) production, or adopting a make-to-order production system can be employed. Furthermore, excess production capacity can be utilized to produce inventory for future periods or to offer customized products to customers. To ensure that the production capacity is aligned with customer demand, a formal production planning and scheduling process should be established. This process should involve forecasting customer demand, creating production schedules, and allocating resources to meet customer orders. Additionally, a system for tracking and monitoring production performance should be implemented to identify areas for improvement and to make adjustments to the production schedule as needed. In conclusion, achieving operational excellence in manufacturing process control requires a thorough understanding of the production capacity and customer demand rates. By comparing the two, manufacturers can identify areas for improvement, optimize production levels, and ensure that customer demand is met efficiently. By employing strategies to bridge the gap between production capacity and customer demand, manufacturers can reduce waste, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction.